When I come to you again, 'cause I've made up my mind. Okay. I've come to you again. From you can share your screen now.
All right.
Bye-bye. I think we are going about this thing totally wrong way. But before I probably step on that, Chibuzo, you have your hands up.
Ogami, sorry,
Well
sir,
done.
I work.
So we
So
understand.
I was looking at the code, yeah, the
Okay.
query,
Okay.
and I don't know. Are we to use partition by in rank?
Well, I don't know. I have not really studied it. I'm only doing what Ogachi PT said, and then what
Okay,
others have also mentioned. So,
mentioned. Okay.
do you have another idea, another way to go by it?
I was just thinking, going by the material.
Okay.
I don't know if we should use partition by in
Okay.
rank. I think it's for what's this other one again? Um, I think it's dense rank or something, an entile. But for rank, I think it's just order by, then order by after the from statement. But since we are using aggregate functions here, then that would be after the group by.
Okay.
Parusha.
Okay.
So I should take out this, Abby.
Mm-hmm.
Let's just try.
Uh,
Oh,
this is the way you're saying. Okay.
Yes.
Let's see. You worked.
okay.
You worked.
Yeah.
Awesome. 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 Thank you.
You're welcome.
Great job. Awesome. I just saw something on ChatGPT actually, almost synonymous to this, but it's totally different in another way. So let's try. So this one you did, now you did order by the sum, the aggregated sum. So I think that's what this. So what's it called? Follow me. Please let me copy
Yes.
that same line of code. Let's repeat. Yes. So go down, paste. So just select this. Now remove where you have the sum, the first line sum. If you can, no, no, not that one. That one, cut it. Cut that. Yes. Just leave number of people served. I know that is going to sound weird, but according to what I'm seeing here, number of people served, just leave it. Yes. Rank over, then order by. So in that order by, also put number of people served.
I should remove the sum.
Yes, remove the sum, please. So this number of people served you will put here is not the column name, it's the, what's it called? The alias, the one you were doing, that num of people served.
There's no alias anywhere
Don't
again.
worry, just put it there. I don't know. I stand to be corrected, but that is what I'm seeing here. Num of people served. Just make it num of people served for now. Yes, and the first one too, num of people served.
Should I alias it or I should just change it to normal?
Yes, num of people served. Just num of people served. Now come to the from. So do a bracket for subquery from the from.
Yeah.
Yes. So let's enter a new line. Yeah. Okay, good. You can remove that water source one. Okay, well, we'll still come back to it. So do select, leave it. Do select. Select number, type of water source. Then comma sum of number of people served. Yeah, really, that's the way to go. Yeah, that's it. Then from,
Still inside the subquery.
yes, from, yeah, let your water source now follow like that.
Just put it in that. Yeah.
So the water source follow. Yeah, so say group by water source.
Still in the subquery.
Yes, group by water source. So we don't need this last group by type of water source, I mean, sorry. Even though this is already too long. Now let's try and run it and see. Let's see if ChatGPT requires a lab. Every derived table must have its own. Okay, yeah. So yeah, you now say as after that bracket as ranking. Just do ranking. So running now. Yeah, it works. Yeah, but this is pretty long compared to what tables gave us. But yeah, so I guess this second query, from what I'm reading here, is providing the ranking pattern where the rank is going to check through. So now used to order, but I mean, when from water source could have done the same thing. If you don't mind, you can just note this as alternative way to solve it. All right, thank you. Thank you so much.
Sorry, Michael.
Right. You said?
Michael, sorry. Can we have this alternative on the group chat, like just the code?
On the chat box here, you will have access
On
to the
WhatsApp?
document after the class now. Don't worry.
Okay.
Yes, you have access to the document after the class.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Yeah. So, all right, let's move on. So thank you for that contribution. So I hope I hope everybody listening are following. Please, if
N-O,
you are not
capital letter
following.
N-O, don't complete it. N-O, N-O. I'm lost.
That we are contributing, we are not really
Pastor,
following
calm
some
down
places.
now. You're coming down, Fortune. What part are you not getting? I mean, pretty much I just learned rank here. I've never seen rank before in my life. This is the first time I'm seeing it in SQL. So I just learned it here now. So what part of it is not clear to you? Fortune.
At this point in time, I will be honest, as if I'm in GSS3. Everything we will do now, it just go up and down for my head.
Okay.
I understand the new terms that we introduced in and what they should do, but our arrangements and writing of our syntax, I don't know how we are getting them or how we are thinking them.
Okay. Okay, Chibuzo, can you help us analyze and explain the first one you did? I mean, how we came by this structure. I think I can also explain the second one. Is Chibuzo there?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So it's basically as the name rank implies, just ranking a particular column or rows in a column by just ranking them, yeah, by number. Though this code normally, if we were to use rank, then over, right? This output we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, sorry. Before I continue, uh, sorry, hold on. Michael,
Yeah.
this output we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it what you have on the?
Yes. Yes.
That's what we have there.
1,
Yeah?
2, 3, 4, 5. Even though they did that is it because they did dot 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 at the bottom, so which means continuation. So yeah, that's what we have. Mhm.
Okay. All right. So basically, it's just ranking of the rows. Yeah. That's just it. That's the best explanation I can give, really. So it's just following the rank order, rank over, then you have the order by in the bracket, then you alias, then from the table. I was even thinking that after that group by, we should have another by. Then, but since we have the output that replicates what we have on the material, then it's fine. But it's just ranking rows in a column or in a subset. That's all. I don't know if that
Okay.
makes sense, really.
Okay.
I just went by, I just followed the material, that's all. It's not like I know this, like I've known it before now, no.
All right. Thank you for that. Thank you, Chibuzo.
You're welcome.
One of the things I can see here clearly to my own understanding, I think before the ranking over or anything that came in, we already understood that we have the column of type of water source and what's it called? The column of, that's the one I played around. So the column of number of people served. Now, this number of people served is an alias, obviously, which is coming from a subquery that we are querying downward, but you can ignore it and see it as still sum of number of people served. So it is aliasing the sum of number of people served. So it's almost the same thing as putting number of people served there. So those are the columns that we want to see. That is the first and the second column that is appearing in the table. So those ones are sorted. Now from rank over, it means that we want to now get a particular value that we are using. So I think I even figure out how mine is different from Chibuzo's own now. I think I can figure out now. Now, Chibuzo went ahead to order by already existing table or column in his first select query. So if you look at the what's it called, the query he wrote, he said order by sum of the number, which is already in the column above. Now, what's it called now as what's it called he can use to now order. He now has a particular column with values that are increasing or that are in different values that he can use to order, which is almost the same thing I did, except that the table or the column I used in my own case is not existing yet. which is why we had to do the subquery. Ferrum, can you scroll up a little? All right. So which is why we had to do the second query. So what the ranking is now ranking by, the column is coming from the second query, which I still feel is not so necessary, but yeah. So we now did that, and then we now did the grouping by, because to actually get the value, if we just said it should rank by sum of number of people served without any grouping by, it will actually flatten the entire number into one value. So it is the grouping by that is bringing us multiple value based on the group of the type of water sources. So I think that is what this second query is doing. Now, if that second query is too technical, you can just look into the one, what's it called, Chibuzo did. So we are just ranking based on number of people served, grouping by the type of water source, like we've been doing before, just like the normal sum that we've been creating, aggregated sum that we've been creating, except that this time we are now telling the rank to help us create a ranking system based on the sum aggregation. So all the numbers provided in the sum aggregation, they should look into it and make the ranking based on the output from there. So I think that is what happened. That was why I ran the first code, the testing one that I did, just to see how the rank works. I mean, Fortune, all this our grammar together, does it make sense?
It makes sense. I will play with them. When you drop the files in the group, I'll play with them.
All right.
So that I will get, because I honestly I cannot use my own understanding to drag everybody back, but I'll play with them. It's not that I really understood fully. I get what you're trying to do,
Okay.
but your placement of syntax, I still do not get it. But I'll play with all this. If I still find issues, I'll revert back.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, you're not alone. So what I'm
Okay.
Cynthia, what did you say?
I'm saying he's not alone, no. All this
Okay.
is sounding like grammar. It's
Okay.
just later
Thank you.
we'll calm down and go to it.
Okay. Awesome. All right, let's move on. So now we've been able to solve the ranking, what's it called? The shared tab first. Then, well, which shared tabs should be fixed first? We can use the same logic. We can use this should really be fixed first to do this, and keep these requirements in mind. Within each type should to do aggregation of the ranks. They now want us to go back to what we had before, the early table. That is the number of people served table. Without any should be assigned a rank. Wahala. Okay. Limit the results to only improve the results to only improve it. And there is something I think for dragging us back. I remember that they said we should remove, is tapping in our results?
Yes, it is.
Huh?
Yes.
All right. They said we should remove tapping home. So I think there is a condition that is supposed to follow this guy. So, Fermi, can we do,
Yes.
after the group by water source, can we do where type of water source not equal to no.
Not.
That is
Exclamation mark.
that is the exclamation mark and equal to.
Yeah.
Not equal to quote tap in home. Let's see if this works.
So
Okay,
it
I
will
think that
be-
should come before the group by. Okay. So can you implement the same thing in the second query also?
This
Ready?
will be after the subquery, right?
No, 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 it should be before the group by.
Inside the subquery as well.
Yes, yes, yes. I guess before the group by. Let's see.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Okay, so now according to what we are reading, so it's saying that think about, so it says limit the results to only improvable sources. That is why I said we should go back to that, is because we should not bring um tapping home improvable sources, only improvable sources. So to partition. So I think this is where the partition by when I talk. This is where to think about how to partition, filter, and order the result set out of the list. Order the result to this is what I got using rank. This is what I got using rank, and then coming. Then he said by using rank. Okay, so yeah, so that's the question. We are supposed to solve this using the rank again, and then for the entire water sources, not just aggregated water sources now. So how do we go about this? Who wants to help us?
Mike, I think that's what you did before now. You just remove the sum. At least that's the first step, I think.
Please, let's run that query again. Let's see, sir. Do you still have it?
No.
Just copy one of these ones and yeah.
Okay.
The only thing you remove the sum. So it brings out each source, I think.
Okay. You're already commenting our selector.
Okay, you shouldn't copy it. Okay.
Just come okay.
Should I run it?
I still feel that you is yeah, okay, run this one. Let's see. Okay. Select. So there's no group by since we are not aggregating.
And we can remove river too. River is not improvable now. Or is it? It's not
Sorry?
now.
Okay.
Oh, I was remembering the question. It said sources that are not improvable.
Okay. But river is in the lot set that they got.
Okay.
So yes, yes. So ranking 1133. Okay, so uh so I think so what you do, please, I think we should start with select. Please, can you tap on the water source column table from the schema so that we can see what no, not from there.
I'm supposed to increase the columns too, from what I can see.
Just tap on it. Just click on it. No, just tap on it, yes.
Yeah.
No, just tap on the name. Just on the name. Yes, I just want to be seeing the columns on the side.
Oh, partition is not in this thing. Ah, okay.
So let's list out source ID. Include source ID in the select. Next statement. Okay. Then we already have this, then so now do ranking, priority of ranking. Instead of as ranking, do it as priority of ranking. Now, we still want it to order in descend. Is it descending order or ascending order? Okay, so I think they did theirs thing. So number of people served, they still did it in descending order actually. So I don't know why it is not bringing in descending order.
The ordering, because I'm looking at the table. It's
Okay.
not in any order that I can see.
If you look
I'm
at
first
the what you
folder
call
on
now.
the river. The next one, share tap
Huh?
3988. So
Okay, let me get what you're saying. So, okay, I feel you, I feel you. So remove the descending now. So it's because we are actually ordering by number of people served. Yeah, I feel you. Yes. Yeah, let's run in.
this
So
partition, are you sure it's not by the source ID or something? Because
let's
they're saying
go
the
to the
sources within
partition.
each type should be assigned a rank. Okay, maybe that's river and so on. Okay.
It's just the partition that they're talking about here. Said we should okay. Are we supposed to partition anything? We are not grouping now. Chibuzo, your hand is up. Go on.
So why don't we include the order by also after the from statement, the from keyword,
After the what?
after the where, rather, after the where.
Okay, so we should order by what now?
The same order that we used in the rank statement.
Okay.
Like this.
I guess so.
But I'm not seeing. Have you written the order by?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's
I'm
still
not
the
seeing
same
it here.
result. You said what?
Have you run it?
Yes.
Yes.
Still the same result.
Still the same.
Yes.
Okay.
Sorry. Sorry to disturb. Fermi, can you do priority of ranking in that order by?
Yeah.
Yes.
Same thing.
In descending order, I mean. Now scroll down, please. Scroll down, scroll down. I want to see the value we got for where number of people served is around 400. I know this is a very long list, but that is will be the part they showed in the question. No,
So
you
may use the filter rules. Use the filter rules. Yeah.
okay. Filter row.
I'm sorry, means my stem is hanging.
Okay.
And my cursor. Okay.
You understand.
Like this is a long list.
I'm bringing it out. Send just scroll.
Just scroll. I think you are not far away from me. Just keep going. Up, 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 up,
No,
up,
I
up.
think
Hold
the
on, hold
source
on,
ID
hold on, hold on. You are around 400,
is wrong.
400, and then we are seeing
18,500.
the rank of 400 in your own case is 18,400. Wow. And the one in theirs is 3,000. So something is still missing.
From what I understand, the water source, type of water
Mhm.
source, because they said the sources within each type.
You
I
said what?
said that I think they're working on source ID on the second type should be assigned a rank.
You think what?
I said I think they're asking us to work on the source IDs for this second one. Because if you read the question, it's specifying the sources within each type should be assigned a rank. And then lower, you can see something bringing out the different IDs.
Yeah, I'm feeling you. But if we use the ranking on the sources, are there similar
It should be,
sources?
I mean, we might as well try it.
Oh, I feel repetitive sources.
So it's a source
Hold
ID now.
on.
There won't be repetitions now, Abi.
So source IDs, there won't be repetition.
Should I just select these things, count these things so we can see? If
The IDs won't have
You can
repetition.
try
Is
it.
it not a primary key?
Yeah, it's a primary key actually. So it won't have repetition. It won't have repetition. So I don't think that's where the thing is. Number of people served. Is there any aggregation to be done on that guy? Let's look at it. That number of people served, priority rank. and there are a lot of values after the top of list. So, another result set. Limit the result to only include water. Shared, voila.
I still think we should try it. It doesn't remove anything from us, to be honest.
You said
I'm
what?
just reading it and I said I still think we should try it. I don't think it takes away anything. But
Because I
that's
think
that's
Pauline is
that's
right. Why don't we use source ID instead?
All right, let's go. Let's see it.
So I showed that by source ID.
partition
Yep.
didn't work for us at all, Abby. It didn't, right?
We've not done anything on partition at all
We're
because
trying
we
it
don't even know
before.
what we could be partitioning by. Where did you say the sources should come in? The source ID.
Instead of using type of water source, okay. What are you?
Let's put it on both order by statements. One within the ranking and the other one after the where.
Should I remove the descending?
Um,
How do we order by source ID?
okay, put the descending first, and let's go and check number of people served for 400. So we see if the result matches the one Michael spoke of initially.
Even the 400 we are having here. You see, from what they provided, some repeated values are having the same rank.
Let me read this partition thing again.
Number of people served. Our order by before. On what column were you ordering?
Number of people served.
I think that is what is happening because if you look at the results they provided, the number of people served are actually they are in a particular order, following each other: 400, 400, 3,998, 3,998, and then the second order was on priority rank.
How many minutes do we have left on this?
But I think there's a part that we are not processing. This information is not supposed to be this long. That's the only thing I'm saying. I think the result set is not supposed to be so long. There is something we've not removed. The
Accounting
sources
plan.
within each type should be assigned a rank. The sources within each type. Sources within each type. The sources
That's the source ID now.
within each type. Sources within each type, which means the ranking is supposed to be that all the same sources in a particular rank. So we are supposed to group by actually. We are supposed to group by sources. And the ranking is supposed to be in all the sources within each rank, each type. That is, if we have a type, we should have sources that carry the rank 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then in the source, another source again, we should have that ranking system based on the number of people they are serving. I think that is what they want us to do. I don't know if I'm making sense anyway.
We should group by type of water supply.
So we are grouping by type of water source. I don't know if group by is the right word to use actually, or it could be partition by type of water source.
Right.
I don't know if it is group by.
Not group by.
The group.
It's actually partition.
So it should be
partition
by type of water source, order by number of people served. number of people served. So now, the ranking here is where the funny thing is. So order by number of people served, priority ranking. So if you are ordering by, so that means our ranking should come on each one of those number of people served. I don't know.